Hi Mike, this is Chad. Here's the free video audit of your website I called you about a couple days ago. I really appreciate the chance to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring your business more customers. You're wondering why I would do this? Well, the simple answer is many business owners are busy running their business and they don't have the time to figure out what the internet and their website are supposed to be doing to bring them customers. I've also found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things that you can do to impact your business for free, sometimes results in the business owner still raising their hands and saying, "I like you, Chad, please do this for me." So if at the end of this video you want to take this information and use it yourself, that's great. I'm fine with that. But if you want me to help you with this, then you can message me back and we can talk about that. First, let's look at the content of your website. I really like your website. It's got great images and it's simple and to the point. Google likes for us to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the home page and 1,000 words on each extra page. One thing I want to show you right here with this picture is your images should be saved with keywords. This picture is saved with a number. So there's a place where you can get in keywords to strengthen your content. When we search Equity Advisors Bend, Oregon, you are first in the maps section and you are number 3 in the search. The maps section is where your name and address and location are found. Anywhere on the internet that lists your name and address information is called a citation. You want citations in as many directories as possible to give you strength and authority and trust. I noticed that when we change the word advisors to advisor and we look in the maps, your website for some reason disappears. So we want to be sure and adjust the keywords that are being targeted with Google Maps. The third thing we want to talk about are backlinks. This tool shows us you have 25 backlinks coming from 13 domains or websites. These are places on these websites that point or link searchers to your website. When these come from relevant websites relevant to your business, these are strong and they give your site more authority. We can also see your ranking for 102 organic keywords, getting 7 visits a month. We can look at some of the words you're ranking for. Here's your traffic and here's your volume. And we're not getting a lot of traffic from your keywords, so we need to work on more and better keywords to improve your traffic. If we look at some of your competitors, I know these may not be apples to apples, but you can see what increasing the numbers of backlinks and domains and keywords can do for traffic. And that's Ascent, and then we have 7 Peaks. I know 7 Peaks may be larger. They have 674 backlinks from 246 domains, 135 visits. So to summarize, we want to increase your backlinks and domains and your keywords. You can see what a higher volume of these things will do for your ranking. We also want to improve your content, more keyword targeting in there. And we want 200 to 300 citations to beat out the competition. So I really appreciate the chance to look at your website. You can use the information I've given you yourself to fix these things, or if you want to save time, you can give me a call at 903-450-6172. Once again, my name is Chad. You can reach me at 903-450-6172. I look forward to hearing from you, and I thank you again. Have a great day.